How to upload story on Instagram from PC. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do right here is to, of course, open our Instagram website right here on our browser and then make sure that you are logged in into your account. Once you are now here, the next thing that we need to do is to go on the upper right corner of the screen and then click the three dots. In this part, what we're going to do is to look for developers tools. So currently, I'm using Microsoft Edge browser. So if you're using a different browser like Chrome or Brave, all you have to do is to go into this part and then look for your developers tools. And in my case, this is where it is located. So I'm going to click that. And then once you do that, you will now be able to see this. Now, what we're going to do here is to go into the upper left corner of the screen of this window, and then you will see this device emulation. So once you click that, you will see that Instagram has been converted into this. So what we're going to do next is we're going to refresh the website. Once you refresh the website, this is what it's going to look like. What we're going to do next is to just go here on the upper right corner of the screen, and then you will see this plus icon. So just click on that, and then you will now be able to see the story icon. So just click on that, and then what we're going to do here is to just look for the video that we want to post. So let's say, for example, that we would like to post this one right here. And then after that, you can now edit, you can now save, add stickers. You can also add some text if you want to. And then once you are now done with this, what we're going to do is to click add to your story. Once you click add to your story, it's now going to upload. As you can see, the story was added into our Instagram account. And if we refresh our website once again, and then click reload, and once we click our profile, you will now be able to see our story. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to upload story on Instagram from PC.